Lucerne. And now we're going to look for where we can store our luggage here in the train station. Since we'll not be staying here in Lucerne, we're just here for a day and we're heading to Zurich. See ya! So the lockers are in gate 14 here in the station, and it's just over here. Let's see on how to operate it. XXL?
Oo. Kasya kayo doon. Isa lang ang kasya niyan.
Ay, isa lang kasya?
Oo.
So we have to get two. It says English, deposit. Ba't ayaw?
Paano namang instant ha?
We have to figure it first. So this is the instruction. Put the luggage in an available locker. Oh, it fits! It fits 2 luggages for the XXL size.
Yeah, actually tricky.
Ay, cellphone kasi ito.
Saan? Diba?
Oo. Then, back.
Right?
First half, close door by clicking it into place.
Yan.
Yan. Then pay amount. Pay now.
Hindi yata pwede.
Ito. Ay, yung card mo na lang. Ito card. You have 79 seconds. Hurry. Please wait. So it would be until for 6 hours only, and we'll pay additional 8 per additional 6 hours.
Kaya.
That's it. The QR code for locker is being printed. Then take QR code and keep it safe. The QR code opens the locker. Tip, take a photo of the QR code. You better take a photo of the QR code. The QR code for locker is being printed. Then take QR code and keep it safe. And these are the lockers here. Oh, there are more. There are more there, Sartar. The other side. Oh, there are more lockers here. But they said like during summer, there would be a lot of, mostly it's full, the lockers. And this is Lucerne Station. And now we're back in the station to get our luggage, which is in gate 14. Ay, station, ano yan, gate or station 14? Oh, someone is still getting. So we just have to scan. Oh, we have to pay additional 8 francs because we have been storing it for more than 6 hours. So the 15 francs is for 6 hours. So we have to pay. Receipt is printing. Just open the lock. And that's it. That's how you store luggages here in the station.